I've actually made this video like 4 times already, but I haven't been able to post it because of the number of edits that I've had to make, and here's why. Coming on here and making a video talking about the wait times and how long it might take to get your favorite Toyota is not a very simple and easy task. And that is largely due to the fact that depending on exactly where you're located, where you're from, where you're purchasing from, what exact color combination and configuration you're after, can very well determine and alter how long you might have to wait for your favorite Toyota vehicle. Now, for the past 4 or 5 years, having to go into factory order your hybrid Toyota vehicle has become the new norm, and I'm here to tell you that that's not going away. That's right, due to the high demand and popularity of most of our Toyota vehicles, specifically the hybrids here, it has caused many consumers, viewers, and customers to have to actually go in and place a factory order in order to take delivery of the hybrid Toyota that they want. Now, again, depending on where you're from and where you're located and exactly what model you're going after, I'll talk about this a little bit later on in the video, you may find yourself waiting longer, and sometimes you may find yourself waiting not too long at all. Currently here, we're looking at wait times of in and around the 6-month window for certain Toyota hybrids like the Toyota Hybrid Tacoma, the Toyota Hybrid Tundra, and also we're looking at shorter wait times for hybrid vehicles like the Crown Signia, for example, like the Crown Sedan. Now granted, these models have very specific color combinations, not so much the Tacoma and Tundra, but when you're talking about the Crown Sedan and Crown Signia, well, there's a lot of different ways you can configure that vehicle when it comes to interior color, when it comes to exterior color. If you want a solid color finish on the exterior, for example, all white or white with a black roof. So again, depending on these kind of changes and where exactly you're from, you can find yourself waiting a little bit longer or shorter for that specific vehicle. In the Toyota lineup, there isn't many models that are non-hybrid only. We've evolved to a very large hybrid manufacturing company, which offers hybrid on almost all the vehicles we sell. However, let's talk about those non-hybrid models and how long you might need to wait to get one. Vehicles in our lineup like the Toyota Corolla Sedan, the Toyota Corolla Hatchback, the Toyota Corolla Cross, Toyota Tundra, Toyota Tacoma, and even the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. These type of vehicles and models can see a wait time generally of anywhere around 4 to 6 months. But again, keep in mind where you're from and where you're located. And also, if you're not overly concerned about a specific package or color combination or configuration, there's a good chance you can actually find some of these in stock at your store. Now, any of those models I just mentioned, they're hybrid alternative. However, keep in mind the Corolla hatchback does not have a hybrid, and also keep in mind that the Corolla hatchback is made in Japan, and typically from the time of being built, they do take a little bit longer to arrive, depending on exactly where you're located. But for us here in Ontario, Canada, a Corolla hatchback to arrive from Japan can sometimes take in and around 1 month to arrive after it is built. You may already know here the hot topic is the Toyota RAV4. Let's talk about the non-hybrid. Now keep in mind there has been nothing official released yet for a redesign for 2026, but so many reports, viewers, content creators, bloggers are saying that when Toyota does redesign the Toyota RAV4, that they will go and follow through with what the Camry did from 24 to 25, which means all hybrid and no non-hybrid. But currently, if you're after a non-hybrid 2025 Toyota RAV4, you can find yourself waiting around a few months, give or take, again, depending on where you're from, what you're after exactly, whether it's an XLE Premium, a limited white exterior with beige interior. I know those ones are a little bit more on the rare side and very popular. If you're looking for a blueprint exterior, those ones seem to be a little bit more tricky to get your hands on. So these can all play a part in how long you might have to wait to get your favorite specific Toyota RAV4, but generally a couple of months to wait for a non-hybrid Toyota RAV4. Now, currently, with the increasingly popular, high demand, and popularity of the RAV hybrids, no matter what configuration you're after, generally, at least for us here, the wait time is north of 12 months. Again, keep in mind this could change depending on what province or country, if you're in the US, Canada. I'm talking about for where we are specifically, we are looking around this kind of wait time. Certain models do play a factor. Like I would have to probably recommend that the XSE technology package for the RAV4 Hybrid and even for the RAV4 plug-in hybrid are a bit more on the rare side. For some reason, we do see less and less of that configuration, but we do see more of the mainstream configuration, which is the XLE grade. That seems to be the bread and butter and highest volume seller and pick for most of the viewers and consumers. And currently for us here, the wait time is north of 12 months for the Toyota Sienna as well. Like I said, that can definitely change depending on where you're from and where you're located. The Platinum grade, we've seen a couple of those, pretty cool, although it's brand new for 2025. So I'm not sure if those ones are going to be on the high demand, super high demand, or on the more available models. Right now, the sweet spot for the Toyota Sienna in terms of model and configuration and popularity seems to be with the XLE front-wheel drive or the XSE all-wheel drive non-technology package. These seem to be the best sellers and bread and butter for the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Now, Toyota Land Cruiser is a little bit more unique and it's quite new to us in the lineup, so determining a general wait time can be a bit tough. I would have to guesstimate around an 8-month window, give or take, depending on the exact trim and color configuration you're after. And keep in mind, the Land Cruiser or any Toyota model that has a small window of customizations or configurations. What do I mean by that? For example, the Crown Signia, there's only 2 models. In those 2 models, you can customize a lot about how you want the exterior and the interior to be. Land Cruiser, there's only a few models. You can customize the interior and the exterior on a lot of the packages that are offered. These kind of models in the Toyota world, they're very sensitive to the wait time depending on how you want your vehicle. If you want it only one way, then you may find yourself having to wait a bit longer for it. Let's touch on the ever so popular Toyota Grand Highlander. While talking about the non-hybrid versions, similar to the non-hybrid Toyota RAV4, you can probably get your hands on one within a couple of months depending on where you're from and where you're located. Now, the Grand Highlander hybrids can definitely stretch to closer to that 12-month window. Keep in mind, again, specific to color grade, combination, and configuration on the model. I know the Platinum seems to be the hot one for the Grand Highlander 2025. And keep in mind, you can get that with the black interior or the Portobello and many different really cool exterior colors as well. This will all play a part in how long you might have to wait for your Grand Highlander, Platinum, non-hybrid, hybrid, etc. One of the hottest and highest demand best-selling sedans that are currently offered in the lineup has to be the all-new 25 Toyota Camry. It's a hybrid only. Again, this one is very specific to color combination, model combination, and configuration. I haven't really seen many of the XLEs, to be honest, anywhere. Those ones seem to be a bit more on the rare side, but they also seem to be a little bit on the less popular side, whereas the SE model in both the all-wheel drive and the front-wheel drive, we seem to be seeing more of those, and we do have many more requests for those models. So I would have to say that the bread and butter model for the 25 Camry is the SE grade with a wait time of around a 12-month window, give or take, depending on, again, your configuration and exactly where you're from and where you're located. Full disclaimer, everyone, this information was not given to me by anyone. This is just generally what we're seeing for the general wait time for us here where I'm located, but do consult your specific store or dealer where you're from for how long you specifically might have to wait in order to get your favorite Toyota vehicle, and take this as a general guide. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it has helped you in some way, shape, or form. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would like me to specifically answer the question as to your specific wait time, and I'll do my best depending on where exactly you're located and where you're from. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. Take care.